Globe. View of the Earth. Rotate the planet and zoom with a slide. Add information. Display country borders and lines of latitude and longitude. View mode. Choose from a number of view mode options.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Globe app. Drag any part of the Earth in order to rotate it. You can zoom in or out with the help of the slider. Click here in order to display country borders in the world. Click here if you wish to display all major circles of latitude and longitude. Click here in order to display latitude and longitude circles with a 10-degree spacing. Click here in order to display the Earth's axial tilt. If you drag the Earth now, it will rotate around its axis. Click here in order to enable or disable automatic rotation of the Earth. Click here in order to access different view modes in the pop-up window. Alternatively, click on this icon to change between different view modes. Thank you for watching.